Welcome back. Today we will cover the topic light, and under that we will understand a quick introduction to light, sources of light, luminous and non-luminous bodies, and many more. Let's begin with a quick activity. Look around you, identify and name various sources of light. Sun is a source of light. Bulb, tube light, fire, laser, torch, fireflies, all of these are various sources of light. There are many more, but these are some of them. If you're enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and click on the notification bell. Let's move on to natural and artificial sources of light. Sun, tube light, torch, and stars. So can you tell me which among these are natural and artificial? The sun is a natural source, whereas tube lights and bulbs are artificial because they are man-made. What about stars? Yes, they are natural source. Here are more points about light. Objects are divided into luminous and non-luminous objects. The branch of science which deals with the study of light is called optics. Here are a few properties of light. Light travels in a straight line. This is called the rectilinear propagation of light. Light can travel really fast. Nothing can be compared to the power of its flight. Luminous and non-luminous bodies. Objects which emit light are called luminous bodies, whereas objects which do not emit light are called non-luminous bodies. So we have the sun, a book, moon, and candle. Can you tell me which among these are luminous and non-luminous? We know that the sun emits light and so it is luminous. Similarly, a candle emits light and so it is luminous. But what about a book and the moon? We can see light coming from the moon, but is it luminous or non-luminous? It is non-luminous because moon reflects light from the sun, and we know that book does not emit light and so that is non-luminous too. Make sure to like this video if you're enjoying it. Let's move on to a few questions based on the concept learned. Which of the following is not a natural source of light? Star, fireflies, sun, or burning candle? So all of these are sources of light, but which of the following is not a natural source of light? The burning candle. Non-luminous objects are objects which produce their own light, do not produce their own light, can be seen only when light falls on them, or both B and C. The correct answer is D, option D, that is both B and C. It cannot produce light and it can be seen only when light falls on them. Let's move on to translucent, transparent, and opaque bodies. Do you know what are shadows? Yes, shadows are formed when an opaque body obstructs the path of light, right? So now look at the pictures below. Transparent, translucent, and opaque. What is the difference you can see among these? The transparent, so we have a glass here and it cannot produce a shadow because it is transparent and it allows light to pass through it. Translucent objects produce a faint shadow because it partly allows the light to pass through them. But opaque objects do not allow light to pass through them, therefore a proper shadow is formed. So what's in the upcoming video? We're going to study about pinhole cameras and eclipses and shadows. Thank you. See you soon in another video.